Is Bitcoin the new digital gold, or will traditional gold remain the ultimate safe haven asset? In this video, we'll compare Bitcoin and gold to see which could be the better investment for the future. Starting with Bitcoin is the world's largest cryptocurrency and is often called digital gold. It has a fixed maximum supply of 21 million coin, making it a scarce asset designed to resist inflation. Bitcoin can be transferred globally within minutes, stored digitally, and traded 24/7. Over the years, it has attracted institutional investors and continues to grow as a long-term investment. However, Bitcoin is highly volatile, so its price can experience significant ups and downs in a short period. Now let's look at gold as being a trusted store of value for thousands of years and remains one of the safest investment assets. Unlike Bitcoin, gold is a physical asset with a long history of protecting wealth during inflation, economic crises, and market uncertainty. It is generally much less volatile than cryptocurrencies, making it a preferred choice for conservative investors. However, gold is more difficult to transport, store, and divide compared to digital sets. Both sets have unique strengths. Gold offers stability, reliability, and a proven history of preserving wealth. Bitcoin offers digital convenience, limited supply, and stronger long-term growth potential, but with higher risk due to price volatility. The better choice depends on your investment goals and risk tolerance. Before investing, always check the live price, trading volume, market trend, market sentiment, and key support and resistance levels. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. If you found this comparison helpful, like this video, subscribe to Crypto Orbitz, and turn on notifications for more crypto comparisons and market updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.